हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो थोड़ा डिफरेंट होने वाला है। वैसे तो हमारे सारे वीडियोस ही डिफरेंट होते हैं, लेकिन ये वाला थोड़ा और अलग होगा। और अगर आपने बाकी के वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो आप प्लीज़ जाके चेक करिए। हमारे चैनल में हर टाइप की वीडियो आती है, इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो, फन वीडियोस, चैलेंजेस एंड कुकिंग की वीडियोस भी हैं, तो आप वो सब देख सकते हैं। And do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So we just finished recording a video and you'll get to know about it soon. So as you all know, it is the lockdown period and we all have been eating a lot. We all have been eating oily food and all the junks in the world. So we need to stay fit along with that. And for that I do some exercises and I'm gonna tell you today what all exercises I do to stay fit during the lockdown period. So please keep one thing in mind, that before exercising, it is really important to have a glass of warm water or black coffee as you like. And yeah, I'm just going to do that. So let's start with the namaste. Starting right here, always start with jumping exercises to warm up your body or wake your muscles up so that there are less chances of injury during the workout. Keep jumping, crisscross, and then front and back. Keep switching. Now in this one, try to stretch higher so that your knees are making contact with your palms. Do at least 40 of them. Now this exercise is to stretch all your muscles right from your fingertips to your toes. Try and stretch to the best of your capabilities. At least do 6 to 8 of these. Continuing with some basic neck exercises. Now we keep working on our laptops, mobile phones, or even while studying, we put a lot of strain on our necks. So this exercise is to relax all the tension areas on our neck. Up and down. Left and right. Now coming up to arm stretching. Stretch forward one of your hand. It should point straight to the front. Gently twist your body and don't take it too hard on yourself. Keep repeating. At least 10 times per side. Now prepping for waist rotation. It's really important to shake that waist before rotating it clockwise and anti-clockwise, 20 each. Just like that. Now the T stretch. T stretch is my personal favorite. So keep doing it all the time to relax those muscles after sitting for too long at one place. Like while watching TV or sitting in front of the laptop, we put a lot of stress on that back. It's really important to stretch that. Now here it's not important to touch the ground, so do not bend a lot too much. It comes with practice, so you'll surely be able to do it. Some more stretch, and yeah. nor important again to touch the ground. And yeah, the sweat. Okay. Now quickly continuing with some leg exercises, but stretching first. So some leg stretching. Don't forget how important it is to keep pushing your limits. Don't feel bad if you are not able to do these exercises. It's really important to at least try them once, and with practice you'll surely be able to do each one of them with perfection. Now some lunges. So don't keep a lot of gap between your legs. Time to lie down on your back. So we are here for a quick leg raise. Knees should be straight, legs sticking together, and then raise your legs. Again, it's not important whether you are able to keep your legs straight or not, but there is no harm in trying. Perfection comes only with practice. Do at least 30 to 40 of them. Keep repeating. Keep pushing your limits. It's really important to do that, and now is the time. Some more stretch. So if you feel a little bit of strain on your legs or your thighs, you should just do this one. Side sit-ups. They're really efficient in toning up your inner thighs. Yeah, you might trip and fall, even I did. So but this one is to only motivate you. Even if you trip and fall, it's not gonna stop you. Now this is the final one, so take a deep breath. I usually like to come into a plank position in this particular manner. You should keep your shoulders and lower back at the same level, not straining your lower back a lot. Try to push the ground with your forearms. Holding a plank position for at least 10 seconds a day is really beneficial for your body. Start with 10 seconds and then you shall increase the time every 2 days. So this way you'll be able to hold it for a minute in just 2 to 3 weeks, which is great. So I'm done with the workout, and it was just a beginner's workout. Hope you all like it and do try it at home, because these days we all are eating a lot and it's really important to stay fit and healthy at the same time. So I hope you all are doing good, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and it will really motivate us to bring new content. Thank you.